Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the crop, soil and fertilizer prediction using machine learning. So this will be the model folder, this will be the static folder that contain the CSS images file. Okay, these images used for the user interface, and this will be the JavaScript. Okay, this will be the template folder and this will be the utils. Let's run the project through terminal. So we have to copy that link and paste in any browser. You can paste in any browser. It will open the home page. It will predict the crop, soil and fertilizer. Let's scroll. This will be about us, our services. Okay, this is clickable. Let's click on the crop. User have to enter all those value and click on the predict button. This will be the fertilizer section, and the last one is soil detections. Okay, so let's check out one by one. Let's click on the crop. We have to enter the nitrogen value, phosphorus, potassium, pH value, rainfall in mm, state. Let's select any state. I'm selecting Rajasthan, and city Ajmer, and then click on the predict button. So it will predict the crop. You should grow kidney beans in your farm. Let's predict the fertilizer. We have to enter the nitrogen value, phosphorus, potassium, and crop you want to grow. So you have to select any crop, grapes, and then click on the predict. So it will show the the K value of a soil is low, and it will give the suggestions. Let's click on the soil detection. User have to upload any input image of any soil, and then click on the predict button. So it will predict that black soil. Okay, this is the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.